confident, think like a champion, speak like a champion, and then walk it out. Grind 120 all day, every day. Stop making excuses.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Brandon, and in this video, guys, I want to go ahead and show you how we're able to make money off of properties that are really distressed. But first and foremost, I want to go ahead and get some stuff done. First, I don't know about you guys, but I do keep my mail sometimes in my front, so I'm going to go ahead and have to get this all sorted out. But in the meantime, guys, I do have to go ahead and take a look at a couple things. I'm gonna go ahead and get my car rewrapped. It was yellow, so maybe you guys can help me pick out some colors, and then we're gonna go ahead and check out this property on how we're able to make so much money off these distressed properties each and every month. If you stay to the end, I'm gonna show you the exact steps and how I pull this list, how I run my numbers, and how I get these properties under contract. So make sure you stay to the end. All right, guys, so we're actually here. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at some wrap colors for my car. As you can see, they actually have, check out this truck, guys. It has a whole bunch of Christmas lights on it. Here, there's another Tesla. The crazy thing is, guys, that this is the actual color that I wanted. Let's go ahead and check it out. Tell me what you guys think. The wrap though is fire.
It's insane, isn't it?
Bro, I really wanted this color, bro.
We can do it in wash.
This is satin.
Yeah.
This is crazy because on this side, it's like so he's gonna go from red to satin blue tone. That's gonna be crazy. Guys, you want to go ahead and check out Tracy McGrady's Lambo? All right, guys, so let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about this color? Now, don't judge me. I know it's a shitty color, but I just want to know, what do you think about the color? All right, guys, so the crazy thing is we're actually doing a walkthrough, and we're about to close on this property. It's going to be an assignment fee of $11,500. Yeah, this property right here, but behind me, actually made us $11,500. So the actual buyer has sent his contractor here to come take a look at the property, and we're about to go ahead and show you inside. All right, guys, as you can see, we're actually right here at the property. What do you guys think? I honestly think it looks like so come over here and check this out. There's actually no front door, guys. The front door has been actually taken away. If you want to get a closer look, as you can see, all of this is actually caved in. Now, as you can see, guys, this is the actual front porch that's going to need to be redone. As well as you can see, there's actually a tarp on the roof as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and walk you guys in. The crazy thing about this, guys, is that we actually have to go through the back, because as you can see, the front door is, but this is where all the opportunities are, right? And once again, guys, if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get these types of properties right now in today's market, even through Corona. So let's go ahead and check it out. You can AC here. ¿Habla inglés o solo español? Español. Ok. El AC acá está nuevo, pero ya Julio sabe. So, ellos salieron ahora mismo, yo creo que la semana antes, so, hay cosas que va a tener que yo sacar. Come here. Guys, so as you can see, this bathroom definitely needs a lot of work. The crazy thing about this is, guys, check this out. The actual HVAC system, the unit system inside is in the bathroom. I mean, I've never seen that before. As you can see, the foundation is actually very, very unleveled. So this bathroom is definitely gonna need a rehab. But yes, guys, this is insane because I actually had more than 2 cash buyers offer me in this property. They were actually bidding for this house. All right, guys, so as you can see, this house is actually on pillars, or what we call cinder blocks. All right. The crazy thing is that they actually have what's called a mother-in-law suite, which is over here. All right, so there's actually a whole new property, I guess a whole new dwelling that you can actually make a ton of money, right? You can actually probably rent this out, and you know, I believe they were getting around $500 to $600. If renovated correctly, you can make maybe around $700 to $800. So let's go ahead and check this out, guys. ¿Está abierto ya? All right, guys, so check it out. At the other property, which was right next door, obviously they were renting it out for about $1,200. On this side, you're actually able to go ahead and get about $400 to $500 the way it is right now. But if you were to renovate it, you can go ahead and get a little bit more. Now, guys, I want you to go ahead and check it out. They actually have the PS5 right here. I'm playing with you guys. It's actually a PS2. But let's go ahead and take a look a little bit more on what's going on over here. So check this out. This stove is actually from 1982. Oh, somebody was drinking on some brandy. All right, guys, so as you can see, it has a kitchen, 1 bedroom. All right. You also have the bathroom here as well. Very, very small bathroom. I want you guys to go ahead and check that out as well. All right, guys, so I want to go ahead and give you 3 tips on how to scout for properties just like this one when you're wholesaling. Tip number 1 is going to be clutter, guys. When you're driving around and you're looking for properties, you want to make sure that you're looking for things just like this, upkeeping. As you can see, there's a lot of clutter going on here. I mean, there's tires, things of that nature. So you want to make sure that you're looking out for things just like this. Tip 2 is going to be curb appeal. Now, every house needs to have some type of curb appeal for people to live in it. Now, as you can see, this house has no driveway at all. No driveway at all. And the front of the house looks like an absolute disaster, guys. I mean, it looks like a hurricane has gone through this. This means that this property has a lot of potential. Now, the crazy thing is that you would think that this is actually vacant. There was actually people living inside. But the great thing is, once again, if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how to pull these types of properties and be able to make a whopping $11,500 right now. All right, guys, tip number 3 is going to be the roof. Now, the roof is one of the most essential parts of an actual property. As you can see here, this property has a tarp. Now, this is a big giveaway that either there's an insurance problem or a money problem, which causes obviously roof leaks, water moisture, and all that crazy stuff, mold, things of that nature, right? So this is the type of leads that you want to contact to say, hey, listen, would you be interested in a cash offer? And those are all the 3 tips right there. But make sure you stay to the end, because I'm gonna tell you how to find these deals right now. All right, guys, so before we go ahead and do all of this, I do have to stop by the bank. I actually just opened up another business, and I have to go ahead and get my online banking and all that stuff, so come on. All right, guys, so we actually just pulled up to the title company. We're gonna go ahead and grab our check. Now, the cool thing is that the buyer already signed, the seller signed, everything's funded. They just called me and said, hey, come get it. So let's go on and grab this check. All right, guys, if you're ever in Orlando, you need a title company, make sure you guys use Southeast Professional. My guy Ryan is the guy you want to check out. You always want to make sure that you're using a reputable title company and one that is very, very familiar with wholesaling types of deals. Right now, our title company uses what's called blind HUDs, which helps us close deals more efficiently, be able to hire buyer and seller transactions, and also double closing. So make sure you're using a reputable title company. Hello. I'm actually here to see Ryan. All right, guys, so as you can see here, we have the check. We also have the final HUD. Now, coming a little closer, guys, as you can see, this does say Blue Notes Inc. And this is for $11,500, guys. God is great. For those of you guys that want to learn about wholesaling, you want to get into this right now, guys. But once again, now I'm going to go ahead and reveal to you exactly how we were able to go ahead and get this particular deal, lock it up, how we ran numbers, the whole 9 yards, guys. So go ahead and grab your pen and pad right now and stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to go ahead and close on properties just like this one each and every month, the same way that we do with Southeast here in Orlando, Florida. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly how we were able to go ahead and make $11,500 right on this particular deal using PropStream. But first and foremost, make sure that you're following me on Instagram. To go ahead and get the free trial for PropStream, make sure you click on this link right here, and you want to go ahead and click right here for that free 7-day trial, or you can use my code Blue Notes. So moving on, guys, first thing you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and look at the actual property, okay? As you can see here, what we were able to go ahead and do is look at the comps in the area. Now, as you can see here, it was 192,000 for the average comps. The great thing is that, once again, as you saw in the video, location was very prime. As you can see, there was a 55-year-old community that was just built, and there was also new development, guys, going on in the area, okay? So we ran our numbers, and we actually made sense that this could be a potential build for maybe a developer, or it could also be a flip depending on how cheap we got it, okay? The crazy thing about this property, guys, was that Amanda, the actual homeowner, told us that she had a little to no equity, okay? Now, the crazy thing is that she actually had 2 mortgages. PropStream is showing only 1, but she did have 2 mortgages, guys. So you want to go ahead and make sure that you understand those key things, as well as she did own it for a long time. So you can see here, she has stated 17 years of ownership, all right? But the key thing, guys, was that it was not owner occupied, okay? Now, I know that you guys have been waiting for this, and I want to give you all the cool things that we knew about this property. So how did we actually get this deal, okay? So first and foremost, what we did, guys, is we went right here. We put in our county, okay? So in this case, we went ahead and put in a county, all right? So let's just say we put in, try this county here, all right? And then what we did is we clicked on filter, okay? So once we clicked on filter, guys, we automatically did owner occupied no, okay? We went down here for valuation, okay? Let me move myself over here, guys. And what we did, guys, is we did estimated equity, okay? So the equity that we did was a minimum of 50%, okay? Now, here is the actual catch, guys. You want to make sure that you click on unknown equity, all right? Now, I'm going to go ahead and break this down to you guys furthermore. So unknown equity means that the actual PropStream or the property appraiser's website does not actually know how much equity is there. So what does that mean? It doesn't know where to actually categorize them. And the good thing is that so many other people are putting 50% equity, 70% equity, or whatever the case may be. But just by toggling that include unknown equity, that means that they don't even know whether it has equity or it doesn't have equity. Now, I know you're probably thinking, well, what if it doesn't have equity? The good thing is that at the end of the day, if it does have equity, you can strike a deal. You're putting yourself in a bucket to where you have less competition with other wholesalers, and it's easier for you to go ahead and get this deal. All right. Now, other tools that we used was the anydealapp.com to run our numbers. We knew that it was worth around 215 with about 30 grand in repairs, which is why we offered $90,000. We were able to go ahead and get that. As well, guys, we did use Mamba CRM, obviously the preferred CRM for all the real estate investors. As you guys can see here, our acquisition manager told us that she bought it for $92,000 in 2003. We were actually trying to get it for $80,000, guys, right? But we weren't able to because of the $92,000 purchase price, okay? We also spoke to other people. As you can see, here we keep track of everything, guys, and these were all the systems that we use. So to break this down, guys, once again, you want to go ahead into PropStream. Make sure that you're doing no owner occupied. You want to go ahead and do 50% of estimated equity. Make sure you include, and you want to go ahead and make sure you go to property characteristics as well. All classifications, click on residential, and click on single family, guys. Now, if you love my content, please make sure to subscribe, ring that notification bell, guys, and stay tuned because I'll be dropping more heat just like this every single time. Catch you on the next one.